Yeah, this is absolutely safe. Definitely. Welcome back to Photos with Yanni, and tonight we're trying something completely different. Tonight I'm going to show you how to capture lightning pictures. The first thing that you have to do is positively, undoubtedly, make sure that you're in a safe location. That's the thing that matters the most. Then make sure your camera is set up on a tripod. And with your camera on the tripod, you want to go ahead and switch to manual focus while you have focused on something that's pretty far away. A remote shutter usually helps in that situation. I look like a serial killer. My settings for lightning are pretty... Oh, we got that one. My settings for lightning are pretty standard. ISO 100, f8, and I keep the camera at bulb mode. That is definitely safe. Then, while your camera is in bulb mode, you want to go ahead and time how long the lightning strikes are apart, because you want to put about 20 to 30 seconds between each lightning strike and when you snap your shutter. You want to give it at least 20 seconds. This way you have a nicely defined lightning. The next video is going to be about editing it, so stay tuned for that. But that's pretty much it. That's the easiest and simplest way to capture lightning shots. The rest is going to be inside. So I just wanted to go ahead and take a second and recap here now that I'm just a little bit more calm and we are inside and the lightning storm has passed. Just to recap, you want your camera on a tripod, you want a remote shutter, you want to keep it at ISO 100, f8, and bulb mode on the settings on the camera. You want to keep 20 to 30 seconds of your shutter being open before you manage to capture lightning. That's very important. I keep it on manual focus as well, so this allows me to focus on something really far away, and then as soon as it focuses, switch to manual focus. This way everything is pretty much in focus. You can try focus peaking as well. Just like I told you, the next video is going to be how we edit these lightning shots, so stay tuned for that one. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and hope to see you at one of the next videos. Enjoy this little gallery of lightning pictures, and see you next. Bye. Oh yeah. Yes.